Have you noticed that you're feeling weaker lately? Maybe you've been losing strength in your arms or climbing stairs feels just a bit harder than it used to. You're not alone. After 60, our bodies naturally begin to lose muscle, and if we're not careful, that muscle loss can lead to weakness, fatigue, falls, and even loss of independence. But here's the good news. There's a powerful food that has more protein than eggs, and it can help you fight back naturally. High on Drive. James Whitmore. For the past 25 years, I have been helping adults over 55 live longer, feel better, and move easier without expensive treatments or confusing medical jargon. In this video, we're diving into the surprising world of protein-rich foods that can help seniors protect their muscle, stay strong, and live independently for longer. We'll explore the one food that beats eggs in protein, why it matters after 60, and how to easily include it in your diet, even if you're not a big eater. Plus, I'll answer common questions about protein, digestion, and safe amounts for seniors. So grab a cup of tea, sit back, and let's talk about building strength from the inside out. Why protein matters more after 60. Let's start with the basics. Protein is the building block of our muscles. But after age 60, your body doesn't absorb protein as efficiently. That means you actually need more of it, not less, to maintain strength. According to the National Institute on Aging, older adults can lose up to 5% of muscle mass each decade after 30, and that process speeds up after 60, especially if we're not eating enough protein or staying active. That muscle loss isn't just about appearance, it's about safety. Weaker muscles mean a higher risk of falls, slower recovery from illness, and reduced mobility. But wait, aren't eggs the gold standard? Eggs are excellent. One large egg has about 6 grams of high-quality protein, along with healthy fats, vitamin D, and choline, all important nutrients for older adults. They're affordable, versatile, and easy to digest. So yes, eggs are great, but what if I told you there's a plant-based food that is even more protein per serving, and also packs fiber, iron, magnesium, and no cholesterol? Introducing lentils. The muscle food powerhouse. Lentils might not look impressive in a bowl, but just one cooked cup of lentils contains 18 grams of protein. That's 3 times more than an egg, and unlike eggs, lentils also give you 15 grams of fiber, great for digestion and blood sugar, iron, which many older adults are low in, magnesium and B vitamins for energy and nerve support. Plus, they're cheap, easy to cook, and incredibly filling. Why lentils are perfect for seniors. Lentils are especially good for older adults for a few important reasons. 1. Easy to chew and digest, no teeth or chewing problems. Great if you do. Lentils are soft and gentle on the stomach. 2. Heart healthy, no saturated fat or cholesterol, unlike some animal proteins. 3. Diabetes friendly. Lentils digest slowly, helping manage blood sugar and keeping energy levels steady. High in folate and potassium, which supports brain health and blood pressure. And don't worry, you don't have to eat a whole bowl of lentils daily. Even small amounts can make a big difference over time. How to add lentils to your diet without fuss. Don't need to become a vegan or spend hours in the kitchen. Here are a few simple ways to get more lentils into your routine. Lentil soup. Easy on the stomach, filling, and perfect for cold days. Add to rice or quinoa, a protein-packed combo that tastes great with spices. Use in doses or Indian-style lentil pancakes, light, crispy, and familiar. Toss into salads, cooked Lentils can add a hearty, satisfying texture bonus. You can cook a batch once and eat it all week. Asterisk, but I don't have an appetite anymore. That's a very common concern. Many seniors experience a decrease in appetite as they age. Here's the trick. You don't need to eat more food. You just need to eat smarter. Try spreading your protein across the day. Add lentils or eggs. To breakfast, include a little protein. With lunch, finish dinner with a simple dal or a protein smoothie. Your body absorbs protein better when it's spaced out, and it helps maintain energy throughout the day. Asterisk, combine plant and animal proteins. For even better results, here's something not everyone knows. You don't have to choose between plant-based and animal-based proteins. In fact, combining them can give your body all the amino acids it needs to build and repair muscle. Here are a few smart pairings: lentils plus eggs. Add boiled eggs to a lentil salad or lentil soup. Rice plus dal, a complete protein. Familiar and comforting lentil patties plus yogurt dip. High in protein and gut-friendly chicken plus lentils, great for lunch or dinner, especially in stews or curries. When you combine foods like these, your body gets a balanced profile of amino acids, crucial for repairing and maintaining muscles as you age. Asterisk, frequently asked questions about protein after 60. Question 1. How much protein do I really need? Most seniors need about 1 to 1.2 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight. That means if you weigh 70 kilograms, around 154 pounds, aim for 70 to 84 grams of protein daily. This may sound like a lot, but spread across meals and snacks, it's completely doable, especially with protein-rich foods like lentils, eggs, yogurt, and chicken. Asterisk, question 2. I have kidney issues. Is too much protein dangerous? Great question, and one that deserves a careful answer. For healthy seniors, higher protein is not only safe but necessary. But if you've been diagnosed with chronic kidney disease (CKD), your doctor may recommend limiting protein intake. That's why it's important to check with your healthcare provider if you have kidney concerns. Asterisk, question 3. Can I get enough protein if I don't eat meat? Yes, absolutely. Foods like lentils, chickpeas, tofu, paneer, Greek yogurt, nuts, and seeds can provide more than enough protein when eaten consistently and combined smartly. Remember, it's not about eating one perfect food. It's about building a variety of healthy habits that add up. Asterisk, quick guide. What 20 grams of protein looks like? Understanding portions can be tricky. Here's a quick reference of common foods that give you about 20 grams of protein. 1 cup cooked lentils, 3 eggs, 3/4 cup Greek yogurt, 75 grams of paneer, 80 grams of chicken breast, to slices of sprouted grain bread plus peanut butter, 1 scoop. Protein powder in a smoothie. Mix and match these across your meals, and you'll hit your daily goal naturally without needing any fancy supplements. Asterisk, summary recap. Let's review what we learned. Let's bring it all together. Seniors lose muscle more rapidly after 60, and protein is essential. To protect it, eggs are great, but lentils offer even more protein per serving, plus fiber and nutrients. Lentils are soft, digestible, and heart-healthy, a perfect fit for senior diets. You can combine plant and animal proteins for complete amino acids. Protein should be spread throughout the day for best results. Talk to your doctor if you have kidney concerns. Otherwise, don't be afraid of eating more protein. Most importantly, you can start small. Even 1 extra serving of lentils per day can make a difference in your strength, energy, and independence. Asterisk, take the first step toward strength. Know it's your turn. Try adding lentils to your next lunch or dinner if you've never cooked with them. Start with a simple dal or lentil soup or swap out one meal a week for a high-protein, plant-based option. Your muscles, bones, and energy levels will thank you. And if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment below. Maybe share your favorite lentil recipe. And don't forget to subscribe for more natural health tips to stay strong, sharp, and independent after 60. You deserve to feel good every single day.